Let me give you my point and why. This time around, you gotta believe this. Alam mo kung bakit? Kasi hindi ako naniwala kay Crawford na kaya niya. Kasi underdog siya eh. Hindi ako naniwala na kaya ni Crawford i-defy yung odds. Because he is an underdog. Let me give you my point and why. This time around, you gotta believe this. You gotta believe in fate. Sabi ni Crawford, I told you, I interviewed Jason Bison before he flew to the United States of America. Before before the training camp in Vegas. And you gotta believe this. I did not believe in the underdog the last time around. And I was wrong. But this time around, sabi ni Jason Bison, he knows that he is the underdog. Alam niya, sir, alam ko po. But I will do my best. Yan ang mga Filipino, I'll do my best. Sabi ko. But here's why it's different. Usually, yung mga boxers natin, pag nagkakaroon ng big fight, 1 linggo lang sila. But Jason Bison has been there. He has adapted to the weather, to the time zone. Jason Bison has won in Japan. Ibig sabihin, ang translation yun, magaling talaga si Jason Bison. And Jason Bison is the heavy underdog in this fight. And to realize that you are the heavy underdog and to acknowledge that means alam niya that he needs to do something a lot better. I mean, kailangan niya makagawa ng something special sa laban na ito. And para sa akin, kaya ni Jason Bison. I also believe that he is the underdog. I'm sorry, but he is a true underdog in this fight. In the sense that even the odds maker believe that he's not gonna win. But this time around, you gotta believe. Times 10 ang panalo nyo. Because never ako naka back-to-back na mali sa aking prediction.